So my name is Trintech. I'm working for the Adidas in headquarters in Herzogenaurach, Germany. And here I'm taking a role which is called Global Process Owner for Record to Report. In regards to the challenges we have seen before at Trintech, actually, it's quite a heterogeneous situation. We are operating in a shared service center model. We have several shared service centers across the globe, but we were never consistent across the globe in terms of doing reconciliation work, meaning every center has done certain slight differences. Even we gave clear guidance on how to do it. And it was all somehow Excel-based, to be honest, and was never on one common platform. And this was one of the goals actually to achieve, first and foremost, consistency across all of our operation accounting environments, and also to ensure that we provide also transparency and visibility to what kind of reconciliation work we do, that also the corporate accounting team can really have deeper insight into the reconciliation work and can see that this is done properly. So compliance to the external auditors as well as to the internal side, meaning the corporate accounting, was kind of essential for us. So in regards to the partnering with Trintech, we are super happy, to be honest. Whenever we have seen over the last 5 years, we have some needs for doing further improvements. They stand next to us, and we are currently also running a pilot actually to understand what further automation we can do. Currently, we look pretty much into efficiency gains and see what further reconciliation work we can do in order to reduce as much as possible the manual work. So it goes heavily into the possibilities to make line item matching, because we have so many e-commerce accounts to reconcile, that we get more efficient in that area and reduce as much as we can manual workload for all of our accountants across the globe. And here we do believe and see that we have a strong partnership with Trintech, and we really appreciate all of the support which is coming from your side.